Hi everyone, I am Cemal Bulunmaz and you are here on Bulunmaz YouTube channel. In the heart of jewelry production technologies on YouTube. In this video, I will introduce you our BangleFormer, and after soldering your bangles in such shapes, we will learn how to make them perfect round, radius and other shapes. We will make flat, round, concave and other hexagon, octagon shapes using different heads of our BangleFormer machine. What is BangleFormer? That's a hand control manual machine. It's a basic mechanism. So when you are soldering your bangles, right after soldering you need to make them perfect round, such as this one. So all you need to do is place your solder bangle on the BangleFormer and start giving the shape manually. In less than 1 minute you will have a perfect round flat bangle. Machine, you can have a look at our YouTube channel for more videos. I just put the link of one of our most popular Bangle Master videos here on YouTube. You can click on the right tab to watch additionally. We even have a concave shape of BangleFormer head. As you can see, the head is exactly opposite inside curve, so you can have such bangles. You don't have to buy our standard sizes, you can also order such individual shapes and sizes. After you prepare your fancy bangles with our BangleFormer, you can engrave with our starter toolset to make unbelievable bangle designs. You don't know about our starter toolset or our hand diamond cut? I put the link of the video here, you can watch and learn much more about our products. It's totally hand control, so all you need to do is adjust the power until your bangle is ready. If you have any questions about BangleFormer, you can contact us anytime you want. I just put our contact details below in descriptions. You can contact us on WhatsApp, email or other channels. As I told inside this video, when you have your bangles ready in different forms, you can use it with our CNC machines, manual machines or hand diamond cut. I will also put the links of such videos below. If you like our video, don't forget to subscribe Bulunmaz YouTube channel. Your support is really important for us to reach more audiences, more jewelers around the world. Thank you so much for watching us. See you again in the next videos.